Today we are going to see chapter number 11 of Standard 11 Commerce subject account, and the name of the chapter is Bank Reconciliation Statement. Today again we will see one more sum of Adlers method. So let's see illustration number 2. Let's see illustration number 2. So here we have to prepare the BRS as per Adlers method. So here illustration number 2, bank reconciliation statement of Nagin Rana as on 31st/3/15. Bank column of cash book of Nagin Rana shows credit balance of 7,500. So here there is a credit balance according to the cash book. So that means it is bank overdraft. So that we have to write with a negative sign. So let's start the sum with the cash book balance, credit balance as per cash book. Credit balance as per cash book, that is also called bank overdraft. So that is called bank overdraft. So it's supposed to be have negative sign. So here we'll write with negative sign 7,500. Okay, and then which does not tally with the balance as per passbook. By comparing passbook and cash book, following information is obtained from this prepared bank reconciliation statement of Nagin Rana. So here we have to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Here it is given credit balance as per cash book and it is called bank overdraft. So we have to show it with negative sign. Okay. So here again let's start the sum. Transaction number first. A check of rupees 15,000 deposited in bank on 28/3/15, but still it is not recorded in the passbook. So here the check is deposited, that means it is written in the cash book but not written in the passbook. So here we have to deduct that amount from this balance. So we have to less the amount. Transaction number 1, we are going to less the amount from the balance. So for that, check deposited but not recorded in the bank. Check deposited but not credited by bank, and the amount is a 15,000. Now let's see transaction number 2. Interest of rupees 16 credited by bank on 31st/3/15 not recorded in the cash book. So interest is credited by the bank, that means by that balance is increased, but the balance of cash book is not increased as it is not recorded in the cash book. So here we are going to add the same amount so that the balance of cash book and passbook will be same. So for that, interest credited by bank but not recorded in the cash book. Interest credited by bank but not recorded in cash book. So that will be rupees 60. Now let's see third transaction. Rupees 18,000 was deposited in bank account directly by customer. The information is not received up to 31st/3/15. So customer has directly deposited money in the bank account. So the bank has already credited the amount and which is remained to recorded in the cash book. So we are going to record in the cash book. So the balance of cash book and passbook will be same. So for that, do what the other has done. So other side is a bank. Bank has already credited. Here we have to add it. So third one. Direct deposit. By customer. By customer in bank. So that is of rupees 18,000. Now let's see transaction number 4. A check deposited with bank but not recorded in the cash book. So check which we get that straight deposited in the bank. So bank balance is already increased but cash balance is not increased. So do what the other has done. So other side is a bank. Bank has already credited and here in the cash book we are going to add it. So let's add the same amount. Check deposited. Check deposited but not recorded in cash book and the amount is a 15,000. Now next is a fifth number. Check issued and paid by bank left unrecorded in cash book. So check is already issued, that is for the payment, and that check is already presented in the bank and bank has given the money. That means the from the bank account money is already given to the check holder and balance as per the cash book is already reduced, but here in the cash book it is remained to record. So here we have to less the same amount, so the balance will be same. So for that, fifth number, check issued. Check issued but unrecorded in cash book. So amount will be 9,000. Now the sixth number is a bills receivable discounted with the bank is dishonored and for the same bank has recorded 18,030 along with noting charges in the passbook. Rana is ignorant about that. So here because of the bills dishonored, bank has already taken the money from the bank account and it is not recorded in the cash book. So we have to make the less balance of the cash book by 18,030 rupees. So for that we have to less the amount. So sixth number, dishonored of bills which is unrecorded in cash book. So that will be 18,030. Now after 7 number, by mistake total of receipt side of cash book is less by 3,000. So total of the cash book was less. So here we have to add so that the total will be identical. So for that we are going to add. Total of receipt side is undercast. Undercasted total of receipt side. side of cash book. And it is by 3000. Now, let's see 8 number. A check of rupees 3000 is issued but yet not presented for payment in the bank. So here we already given the check and that check is not presented in the bank. That means it is not debited in the bank account. So we have already written in the cash book. We have made the less amount. So here we have to add it so that the balance will be same. So 8 number. Check issued but not presented in the bank. Rupees 3000. This is number 8. Now let's see number 9. A check of rupees 6000 is deposited in bank but still bank has not credited same. So here we have deposited the check with the bank so that in the cash book amount is already increased but bank has not credited the same. So if we want to make the balance same, we have to less the amount from the cash book. So here we will write check deposited but not credited by bank. 9 number. So that will be 6000. Number. Bank commission of rupees 60 debited by bank but not recorded in the cash book. So bank commission that is already debited by bank. So cash balance of the cash book is less by 60 rupees. But balance of cash book is less by 60 rupees. But in the cash book it is not written. So we'll write in the cash book so the balance will be same. So here we have to less the same amount to make the balance same. Bank commission debited by bank unrecorded in cash book. So here rupees 60. So now we have to add all the amount in a 7500, but we have to keep in mind that this is the minus amount and we have to deduct the same. So here total of 60, 18,000, 15,000, 3,000, 3,000. So total of this will be 39,060. If from 39,060 we are going to deduct 7,500, so that will be 31,560. And let's make the total of this 15,000, 9,000, 18,000, 30, 6,000 and 60. So total will be 48,090. So here if we deduct 48,090 from 31,560, the amount will be negative 16,530. So this is our balance as per the passbook, and it is again negative. That means it is also overdraft. So here we will write debit balance as per passbook. So it is also called bank overdraft. So student, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.